Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
All right. So I see a
Good
new
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. So I hope you're all fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today we are going to start with something very basic, nothing too heavy for you, right? So I have found one reading comprehension passage. So I'll be sharing the screen for that, and you can all attempt it on your at your own end, and then we can discuss the answers, right? So just let me locate that for you. So student, before we start with it, I want to just share a few tips when you are solving a comprehension passage. Now see, that is kind of going to be one of the simplest part, like the simplest topic of your syllabus, right? However, इसमें भी कई बार बच्चे mistake कर जाते हैं, and what are those possible mistakes? First of all, whatever passage you are given, you have to limit your knowledge to that passage while you are answering the questions, right? कई बार क्या होता है, पैसेज दिया हुआ है, देन लेट्स से 5 क्वेश्चंस है, अब उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा होगा कि जो आपको यूजुअली पता है, जनरली आपको पता है कि उसका क्या आंसर है, बट वो पर्टिकुलर बात पैसेज में नहीं की गई या पैसेज में कुछ और बताया हुआ है. सो इधर आपने क्या करना है, वन रूल इज कि आपने ऐसे अपना माइंड ज्यादा नहीं यूज करना. यू हैव टू रियली लिमिट योर सेल्फ टू व्हाट द पैसेज कंटेन्स, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट नॉलेज यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. दो जो आपके होते हैं, दे आर मतलब मोस्टली दे आर वेरी सिंप्लीफाइड, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं आता. But one or time you never know, the examiner wants to trick you or the examiner wants to test your knowledge. So in that case, make sure you are very conscious of how you answer the questions and you do not move beyond the realm of what is given in the comprehension passage. All right, so this is one and the only trick which I wanted to share. So let me just. So before we begin, first, I just want to take your attendance first. All right. So do we have Vishakha in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Do we have Akanksha? She's not here. Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
Simran? Deeksh? Ginni Sharma? Loveleen Kaur?
Yes, ma'am.
Chandar? I can see
Yes,
Chandar.
ma'am.
All right. Jaspreet Kaur?
Present, ma'am.
Mandeep Kaur? Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Jasveer. So we have Jasveer here. She's not here. Then we have Randeep Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Aarti.
Yes,
Aarti.
ma'am.
Aarti Sharma is here. Okay, there is Aarti and there is Bharti. So Bharti is here, I can see.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Nitin Kumar. Not here. Maninder. So Maninder is not here as well. So anybody whose name I have not spoken. So I can see Kuljit.
Kuljit.
All right. So Kuljit, you recently got your admission done? Okay. So welcome to the class. And another new name which I can see is Shana. So Shana.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So आपकी बेटा अभी हुई admission?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I've made a note of your name as well. So the students who were absent yesterday, right? So I'll be taking your English class, right? So कल हमने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं discuss किया था. We just went through the syllabus, right? So if you want the syllabus, you can download it from PTU website. Otherwise, you can ask me and I'll share it in the group, right? So there is one PDF, just download it for your reference. All right. So also let me tell you the book which you are supposed to buy. I was trying to find its cover somewhere, since that makes it easier अगर आपने market जाके लेनी हो. But otherwise the book is by Thakur Publications. And it is for the first year students. Of BBA and BCom. So your syllabus is overlapping with them. So this is why you have this book. ठीक है जी? ठाकुर पब्लिकेशंस की फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ BBA BCom इंग्लिश की आपने बुक लेनी है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द कवर ऑफ द बुक सो दैट आपके लिए इजी हो वहां पे मार्केट में जाके लेना, राइट?
हाँ जी.
ऑलराइट, सो अभी स्टार्ट करें हम. चलो लेट्स बिगिन. So I have this, comprehension in front of me. So this is space exploration, right? What is the ultimate fate of the universe? So कुछ ये पहले ना दिए हुए हैं questions for just interaction. So let's also go through these and you can give me, you can just volunteer to give me your answers. हाँ जी चंदर, कुछ बेटा आपने पूछना था? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I see,
No,
I
ma'am.
just noticed that you had raised your hand. So I thought maybe you have some doubt. Anyway, let's get back to work then. So tell me, what do you think is the universe? What is a universe? Yes. That is not so complicated. You can just come up with any answer. आपको क्या लगता है what is universe? So I don't mind if you give me that scientific definition or something that you think of it. हाँ जी बच्चे, what do you say?
मैम जो सारी चीजें हैं, मैटर्स हैं, सब कुछ मतलब यूनिवर्स में ही आता है. गैलेक्सीज एंड ऑल.
Yes, you are correct about that, right? So all the celestial bodies, if we talk about the stars, planets, right? So all that, and rather a lot of such solar systems, सारा कुछ universe में आता है. Then how did the universe evolve? So what do you say? How did it evolve? हमने I think छोटे होते geography में शायद पढ़ा होगा.
मैम जो बिग बैंग थ्योरी थी,
Very good.
उसके अकॉर्डिंग.
So yes,
मतलब
you are
कि
right
कहते
about it.
मतलब एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था मे बी स्पेस का.
बिल्कुल सही है.
मतलब बिग बैंग थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग ही था
Yes, so
यूनिवर्स.
जैसे
Yes.
हमारे पास ना काफी मल्टीपल थियोरीज हैं कि हाउ डिड इट स्टार्ट, राइट? सो यस, बिग बैंग थ्योरी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेबल रीजंस व्हिच हैव बीन गिवन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that is again correct. Moving further, do you think the universe will end? Now see, for this question I want everybody's answers, so you can either leave your
No,
answer
ma'am.
in the chat or you can unmute. So okay, one vote for कि नहीं end होगा. What about
No.
others?
नहीं.
All
No,
right.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, so a very optimistic class I have here. So you think कि universe ऐसे इतनी जल्दी तो नहीं end होगा, right? चलो, that is good. And why are scientists interested in understanding the universe? So आपने ये news पढ़ी होगी कि कुछ ना कुछ कोई ना कोई study चलती रहती है, research चलती रहती है, right? about these neurons and these nuclear particles, ठीक है, तो कुछ ना कुछ इसके लिए बहुत बड़ा कुछ वो सारा सेटअप भी करते हैं. So why are they interested to know? Is it maybe only for the knowledge, or do you think it has some practical aspects to it? हाँ जी, what do you say? See, कोई भी रिसर्च, एक तो होती है रिसर्च जो हम करते हैं जिसके लिए हमें कुछ इमीडिएटली किसी चीज का सोल्यूशन चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल जो कोविड की हमने वैक्सीनेशन बनाई. Then there is some research which takes place only for adding to our knowledge, and at times we come across something which is useful. So आपको क्या लगता है कि यूनिवर्स के लिए हमें किस टाइप की रिसर्च हो रही है? कोई हम सोल्यूशन ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सिर्फ नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए कर रहे हैं? So tell me, what do you think? इसका कोई right and wrong answer नहीं. I just want to know your viewpoint. हाँ जी. चलो, all right.
सोल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए.
कोई solution ढूंढने के लिए. Okay, that is correct. Okay, for knowledge. So see, both the options are correct. See, it is partly for knowledge also, partly for solution also. जैसे वो dark hole ऐसे इनकी study करते रहते हैं, right? कोई डेड स्टार की स्टडी करते रहते हैं. सो ऑल दैट आइडिया इज कि हमें कितना कुछ पता चल रहा है जो हमें नहीं पता था. कितनी आइंस्टाइन की थ्योरी अब जाके एक्सपेरिमेंटली प्रूव हो रही है. ठीक है, आइंस्टाइन मे बी ही जस्ट गेव अस थ्योरी कि दिस कुड हैव हैपेंड, दिस माइट बी द रीजन, बट नाउ द साइंटिस्ट आर एबल टू प्रूव दोस. ओके, सो देयर इज दिस वंडरफुल पोएम बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, राइट, फायर एंड आइस. आपने रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की वो वाली सुनी होगी, two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less passed by, and that has made all the difference. So that is a very famous poem by Robert Frost. And this is another poem. This is not so common, but this has a very good meaning and enwrapped in it. So fire and ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Right? So this is more about maybe, of course, the end of the world in literal sense, but also in metaphorical sense. के जैसे इंसानियत खत्म हो जाना, we are no longer helping each other, so on and so forth, right? So our focus, this is just to build the context. So this is the page that we are going to deal with. So you are first supposed to match the words in column A to their meanings in column B. So the words are fate, cosmologist, momentum, density, collapse, supernova, consensus, non-baryonic, runaway parameters, right? So take your time, quickly match them, and then we will discuss the answers. So students, we will discuss the answers within 5 minutes. Just quickly complete this portion. that is match the words. All right, students. So I hope you have solved it all. So you can just leave a message in the chat, yes or no. In case you need more time, just let me know.
मैम स्क्रीन शेयर करियो।
Right. So students, I hope you have completed the match the following. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So should we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
So what about fate?
Ma'am, a power that some people believe causes and controls everyone.
All right. Wonderful. And
मैम
Hanji.
हाँ जी।
So what about the next one? Cosmologist.
Ma'am, a scientist who
A
studies the
scientist who
universe and
studies the
Scientist
universe
who
and its
studies
region and development.
All right. Wonderful. Okay. So now next answer, Preeti will tell me what is momentum. Hanji, Preeti.
A force that increases the rate of development of a process.
All right. What about, okay, so Kajal will tell me what is density.
the relation of weight to volume.
All right. Then Kuljit will tell me what is collapse. All right, students, just give me a moment and I'll be back. All right, so coming back here. So Hanji, who would tell me the answer for supernova?
Star suddenly
A
becomes very
star
much
that's
bright.
A star that becomes very much brighter as a result of an explosion.
All right, wonderful. So Mandeep, Shana, Kuljit, Preeti, wonderful. Right. And what about consensus? So who will give me Jasveer? Hanji, Jasveer. What about Kajal? Hanji, Loveleen. What about Vishakha?
A general agreement about a matter of opinion.
Wonderful, Vishakha. Okay, so what about non-baryonic? Hanji, Randeep. Yes, Randeep. All right, so who would like to answer for non-baryonic?
Ma'am, may I?
Hanji, batao.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, see any sort of matter that is composed of neutrons
sort of
or
matter.
free electrons,
Supersymmetric
supermetric particles, axions, or black
black
holes.
holes. All right. And what is runaway?
Ma'am, happening very rapidly.
Okay. And what about parameters?
Ma'am, E, any of the factors that limit the way in which something can be done.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So you answered them all correctly. So now I would like you to read the passage and then we will discuss these questions. So a good idea would be if you want to mark it somehow or you want to just write it in short. इनके आंसर्स आप अगर साथ के साथ लिखना चाहते हो, you can do that. All right. And if you want, I'll also share this PDF in the group. तो अभी है हमारे पास टाइम,
ग्रुप सेंड कर दियो मैम पीडीएफ ग्रुप.
अभी भेज दूं आपको?
हाँ जी मैम.
Yes,
ये
Yes, ma'am.
आपके लिए कन्वीनियंट हो जाएगा ना. अदर वैसे आप यू मस्ट टेक योर टाइम एंड अभी अगर आप कोशिश कर सकते हो तो कर लो. ठीक है, वैसे हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. वी स्टिल हैव अराउंड 15 minutes to go, so I believe we can discuss one or two odd questions, right? So take your time, read this passage, and then we'll discuss the questions. So students, just let me know in the chat if you have been able to read the passage at least once. So you can just say yes or no. हाँ जी बच्चे. So have you been able to at least read it once? Yes, Akanksha, Bharti, Chandar, Kajal. हाँ जी, Lavleen, Kuljeet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have read it once. एक बार पढ़ लिया सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. तो कोई अभी आंसर्स आपने मार्क किए हैं?
No, मैम अभी नहीं
हाँ,
कुछ
अभी
Okay,
रीड
okay.
किया है.
ओके ओके. अच्छा, एक और टिप है, पता है क्या कर सकते हो आप? जैसे जब भी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज अटेम्प्ट करना हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. उससे क्या होता है, आप एक बार क्वेश्चंस देख लोगे, सो व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन यू विल बी ऑन द लुक आउट फॉर दीज आंसर्स. तो कहीं पे भी जब सेम वर्ड्स रिपीट होंगे, यू कैन जस्ट मार्क इट विद योर पेंसिल, राइट, सो दैट दिस इज वेयर द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन माइट बी, राइट. जैसे इधर हबल कांस्टेंट वाला क्वेश्चन है थर्ड, तो आप इधर देख लो कि इधर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हबल कांस्टेंट को मेंशन किया गया है, राइट. सिमिलरली डार्क एनर्जी की बात हुई है, सो आप उसका भी मार्क कर सकते हो, सैटेलाइट स्टडीज का भी मार्क कर सकते हो. सो अनदर गुड आइडिया इसके पहले क्वेश्चंस रीड कर लो एंड देन रीड द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज. Alright, so we still have some time. Let's see if you are able to finish it. Otherwise, in the next class, we will discuss the answers. So students, any answers so far?
मैम डार्क एनर्जी द आंसर is. तो बाद में देखिए तो मैम, if dark energy is plays a significant role in the evolution of the universe, then in likelihood the universe will continue to expand forever.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सही है. What is the role of the dark energy in the expansion of universe? So you can say that it is believed that it plays a significant role, right, in the expansion. ठीक है जी, and due to it, the universe might continue to expand forever. So first question का मिल गया था आंसर. What do poets and cosmologists have in common?
Yes, ma'am. मिल गया था.
So what is the answer for the same?
endless expansion, and second, the big crunch.
तो इसका आंसर ये होगा कि पोएट्स एंड कॉस्मोलॉजिस्ट में कॉमन क्या है, दैट बोथ हैव imagined or envisioned two possible fates for the earth, right? तो जो
Yes,
रॉबर्ट
ma'am.
फ्रॉस्ट ने इमेजिन किया है, he is a poet, so he has imagined that world will end either in fire or ice, and cosmologists have imagined endless expansion or the big crunch. So दोनों में common क्या हुआ कि they have both imagined two possible fates, right? So we'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next class, right? Since the time is about to be over. So you have the PDF with you, so you can easily attempt it on your own. So next class we will use just the first 5 minutes and discuss them quickly. All right, students, so take care and thank you for attending the class. I'll see you next week. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.